Making initial plans, the first step to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and very useful topic, making initial plans. Whether it's planning a trip, starting a new project, or learning a new skill, knowing how to make initial plans is a key to success. So, let's break it down and understand what it really means and how you can apply it in your day-to-day life. Making initial plans refers to the process of creating the first set of ideas, steps, or actions you intend to take to achieve a goal or complete a project. It's about laying the groundwork or foundation for what you want to achieve. This stage is crucial because it helps you to clarify your goals, identify the resources you need, and outline a roadmap of how to get there. Key components. 1. Goal setting. Clearly define what you want to achieve. 2. Research. Gather information and resources that will help you reach your goal. 3. Brainstorming. Come up with a variety of ideas and options. 4. Prioritizing. Decide which tasks or steps are most important. 5. Creating a timeline. Estimate how much time you will need for each task. Making initial plans might seem like an extra step, but it's actually a powerful tool that can make the rest of your journey smoother and more successful. Here's why. Clarity and direction helps you understand what you're working towards. Efficiency saves time and energy in the long run by avoiding unnecessary steps. Motivation gives you a clear set of tasks to start with, making it easier to take the first step. Flexibility allows you to anticipate challenges and adapt your plan as needed. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Start with a clear vision of what you want to achieve. 2. Do your homework. Research thoroughly to understand all aspects of your goal. 3. List down steps. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. 4. Assign priorities and deadlines. Know what needs to be done first and how much time you should allocate to each task. 5. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or feedback from others who might have more experience. Making initial plans is your first step towards achieving any goal, big or small. It sets the tone for your journey and prepares you for the challenges ahead. Remember, the key is to start with a clear goal, break it down into manageable steps, and stay flexible enough to adapt as you go along. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of making initial plans and gives you the tools to do it effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.